Hi guys, it's Monday, March 30th, 2020. We're gonna get going on our math review. You do not need to have a picture like this to get started on your math review. I made a chart so I can help myself stay focused on the questions. You can look on at the computer and take a look at the page I put for Monday, March 30th and do it with me on a regular piece of paper. You can print that paper out if that's an option for you, or you can just get a blank piece of paper and work along with me. Hey, you could even just do it in your head. So get whatever you need and come on back so we can get started. Okay, number 1 says, what letter comes before E? So think of your alphabet. We're singing the ABCs. What do we say before E? Did you hear yourself? Before you say E, A, B, C, D. Then you say E. So you should be writing D. Which pictures show half? So take a look at these pictures. Is that half? Does this show half? Does this show half? Does this show half? If you're looking on the computer, this is a candy bar. This is another kind of bar, like a granola bar, a glass of water, and a pizza. Which one shows half? So you have to think about what that word half means. Half. If I want to share half with somebody, what do I want to get? We should both have the same amount if we have half. Half means we have the same amount. So this is half a glass of water. Half of the water is in the glass and half of it is empty. This is half of a granola bar or some kind of bar. But pizza, if someone wanted to give me half and share it like that, I'd say that is not fair. That's only a little piece and that's a big piece. Same thing with the candy bar. That's not half, that's just a tiny piece and that's the big piece. Half means you're sharing it equally. The next one says color the 3D shapes. So again, if you don't have this paper, draw a picture of a 3D shape. What do 3D shapes look like? Keep thinking of that poem we sing at school. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. I can see a couple fat shapes right here. I see a cylinder. I see a big rectangular prism and a cube. These are the 3D shapes. Cylinder, rectangular prism, and cube. I'm going to move my paper up a little bit. Our next problem says, count the stars. So here's all the stars. If you're doing this by yourself at home right now, make sure you're crossing out the stars as you count them. If you don't have a paper, make sure you're waiting for me so you can do a careful counting with me. All right, let's count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are 19 stars. If you're using the paper, you can turn it over to the back. I used one big paper, so mine's on the front. Problem 5 says, what date does the star show? So I'm going to take my phone and show you carefully on the calendar so you can see the calendar. What date does the star show? You can just say the date to yourself, and you could wait for me to help you write it if you need any help. This calendar is showing March 2014, and I see the star is on the number 6. The number 6 is a Thursday. Let's start writing that date together. We're gonna start with the day of the week, Thursday. Thursday. You can write it the short way, T-H-U-R-S. March 6th. And this calendar is from 2014. Thursday, March 6th, 2014. You could also write it the fast way. You write a 3 for March, a 6 for the day, and a 14 for the year. It's so fast to write it the fast way. Our pattern today says 822. 8228. What would the next 3 numbers in that pattern be? 822, 822, 8. You're right. It would be another 2, another 2, and an 8. 822, 822, 8228. Let's label this pattern. So this is an AB pattern, an ABC pattern, ABB, AAB, so many patterns. Go ahead and take a look at it so you can label the pattern. When I label the pattern, I'm going to say A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B, A. Those are the units. This is an A, B, B pattern. Great work on your math review, guys. Remember, if you don't have the paper, you're just following along with me and doing the best you can. Keep up the good work.